Hello students, how are you all? So today we will discuss about chapter 12 of our English language book, that is simple past tense. So let's begin it. So first we will understand what is the meaning of simple past tense. So simple past tense is a verb tense which is used to show that a complete action took place at a specific time in the past. So it is basically about the action which is already done in the past and it is being discussed in the future. Okay students, so let's begin with the exercise and then we will understand more about it. So three of these sentences tells us something that happened yesterday. Work in pairs and tick them. So students, we have to tick them, which are the correct simple past tense. So let's begin with the first one. I ate a burger and fries for lunch. So that is the past. That is telling that I ate the burger. That means it already had happened. So we will tick the right in this. Then second one. Every Friday I play squash. So student, this thing happened daily. It's not the past. So we will cross it like this. Then third one, Malini often visits the old age home. So Malini, what does? Malini visits the old age home. So that is also happen very frequently. So we will cross it like this. Okay. Then fourth one, Karan climbed the hill in an hour. So Karan, what did? Karan climbed the hill in an hour. So that has also happened in the past. So we will take it like this. Then fifth one, I travel to Kasauli on a bus. I traveled to Kasauli on a bus. That means he traveled to Kasauli. That means it is ongoing process. So we will mark it like this. Okay. Then we'll do the another one. Sixth one, Nikhil caught 5 fish in the nearby lake. So what does Nikhil do? Nikhil caught the 5 fish. That means it happens in a specific time in the past. So we will correct it. That means it is a simple past tense. Okay students, so let's understand more about it. Look at the verbs in sentence first, 4 and 6. The verbs ate, climbed and caught tells us that the actions were over before we talked about them. So these are the words like ate, climbed and caught are the words which are telling us that these actions has been already happened before when we are talking about it. Okay, then those sentences are in the simple past tense. So these are called the simple past tense. The simple past tense tells us about an action that has already taken place. Okay, the being verbs was, were and the belonging verbs had are the verbs of the simple past tense. So was and were are also the simple past tense which are used as a belonging verbs like had. Okay, so let's begin with the another exercise. Circle the correct simple past form of these words. So students, we have given these words and we have to tick mark the verbs in a simple past forms. So let's begin with it. So first one is, that is the first form of the verb. So that is bring. And now we have to find out the second and the third one. So second is this one, brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, and bringe, that is the wrong one. So we will mark as wrong. So then bought, B-O-U-G-H-T. So this is the third form of the simple past form. Okay students, so this is how you have to do it. Then we'll do the second one. First, sing. This is the first form. Then we have sung. That is the second form. Okay. And sung. S-U-N-G, sung. This is the third form. And we will mark signed as wrong one. Okay, then we'll do the another one, that is third one. In this, first is the pull, then again it is written pull, so it won't be considered it. Then pulled. So when we are talking about pulled, that is the second and the third form of it. Second plus third form of it. Okay, and we will wrong it as pal. Okay, then the fourth one, teach. So this is also the first form of it, and teached, that is the second form, and taught, that is the third form. Okay, so this is how we have to do it. Let's do the another one, that is fifth one. First one is gone, that is the first form. Gone, that is the wrong one, we won't consider it. And that is going, so we will write it down, going, in this, like this. No, sorry, gone, G-O-N-E, gone. It won't be happen as going, it will be gone. And then we will write it down as the second form, that is went. Okay, and then we will do the sixth one, that is come. It is the first form, then came as the second plus the third form, and come and come. So both are the wrong words, so we will mark it as wrong. So now students, I give you the homework. Rest of the words, please do it at your home. Now we will do the another exercise which is given below. Fill in the blanks using the simple past tense form of the verb given in the brackets. So students, there are the in the brackets there some of the words are given, and we have to change them into simple past forms of the verbs. So let's begin with the first one. Last year I dash to Yemen. So last year I travelled to Yemen. So we will write it down, travelled. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-T, travelled, like this. Okay students, then there is another one. Second one, Sheena dash French for 3 years. So what does Sheena did? Sheena studied French for 3 years. So we'll write it down, studied, because these things have already happened before. So, and it's the moment we are discussing about it, these things have been finished. Okay, so Sheena studied French for 3 years. Then third one, we dash a fantastic book last year. So we read a fantastic book last year. So it has already happened in the last year. Then we have another one, that is fourth one. I dash a friend in Mumbai yesterday. I visited. Okay, so V-I-S-I-T-E-T. I visited a friend in Mumbai. Then the fifth one, we waited for the doctor for 1 hour. So what did we do? We waited for the doctor for 1 hour. Then the sixth one, they dash with their grandparents in Pune. They stayed with, S-T-A-Y-E-D. They stayed with their grandparents in Pune. Okay students, so this is how we have to do these exercises. So students, please fill these exercises in your book, and I hope students you have understood what is the simple past tense. So this is how we have come to the end of this part 1 of this chapter, and in the further videos we will discuss the further topics of this